Hey, hope you all doing well. Today I'm going to show you how to design a QR code that you can scan and engrave and then scan using your Glowforge. This is the process to do it. I'm just going to show you this the process of actually doing it on your computer, not engraving it. So will be how you convert it. So I'm taking the URL that my customer gave me, and I always check it just in case they erred in some way. But I did check it. It's all good. I use this up here, qrcodemonkey.com, and it is 100% free. So I put that URL in there, and I make sure I choose high quality. We're going to hit create code, and we're going to go ahead and download the PNG. Now from there, you want to have a program called Silhouette. So after that downloads, I'm just going to give it a second here. There we go. We are going to drag it into our Silhouette. And this part is really easy. And once you do a million of these, you will get so quick at them. Hit the select trace area and grab the whole QR code and go ahead and click trace. And then you can remove your PNG, click the new SVG you just engraved, and we are going to save it as Facebook QR code. And make sure you save it as an SVG. If you save it as a Silhouette Studio file, you'll only be able to open it on Silhouette. So go ahead and save that, and we will continue on. And she did send me several other ones to create. Let me just pause this. I just don't want her information. All right, I did grab her next one, and that is going to be Venmo. Go ahead and put it in there, click create, and download. And since this is already saved, we're just going to get rid of that instead of creating a whole new, there's no reason to create a whole new file because we can just overwrite it and it just works out fine. So same process here, drag it on over, hit your select trace area, highlight the area you want to engrave, and hit trace. Drag out the old PNG and get rid of it. Black. Perfect. And this was Venmo. Go ahead and save. And did I save that right? There we go. Yep, it worked. Okay. And I guess you kind of got the process of how we do this now. If you do have any questions, just let me know, and I can answer any questions that you may be confused about.